All right, let's get started. So I'm sorry if you have to read my code because it is really messy. So yeah, my phone's been showing up on this, so I'm gonna have a lot of stuff that doesn't belong on here. So I have the server on the left here and 3 clients on the right. So for the first one, I will log into the first user. I just have the username and password. Username and password says username1, password1. They're stored in a text file within in the same folder as these files are. So I'll just go ahead and paste that. And you can see that here's the token for the user. There we go, along with the username and saying that user's online. And just to get a little bit ahead of myself, I'm going to subscribe to username 3. Now, as you can see right here, there was no other usernames besides usernames 1, 2, 3. So if I do subscribe, let's just do my AC right. It fails. Now if I do unsubscribe for username 3, you can see that the subscriptions list for username 1 being subscribed to username 3 disappeared. So I'm going to resubscribe there. All right. Now I'm just going to log into username 2. All right. And now I'm going to log into username 3. And you can see each of the tokens here for each of the usernames. All right, so now I will, since I subscribed to username 3, let's go ahead and go to username 3, paste all those. Ooh, yeah, every single thing I enter goes in here and it copies it 20 different times, but there are just 20 in here. So now if we go here, if I do try to log into it again, it says I'm already logged in. So if I do a retrieve, let's retrieve 15. You can see that username 3 posted these, and there's the last 15. And then if I do it, retrieve, let's do 5. And then there's those 5. So now if I go to username 2, if I just happen to log in again, or try to, it says it's already logged in. So now if I try to retrieve on this, I won't get anything because it's not subscribed. So if I do subscribe username 3, actually, let's see if log out even works here. Log out username 3. Okay, I don't know why it said post, but it did log out. That was actually really weird. There we go. Okay, it was just a little bit laggy from these posts from before. Okay, it was just a little bit behind. Now you can see that username 3 is now gone. If I subscribe username 2 to username 3, it was successful. And now if I go and try to, let's see, log in again, and then I try to retrieve 5. Okay, I can still get the 5 from username 3 even though they're logged out. And there is a reset in here. Let's see, was there anything else I needed to show? Let's see. Okay, unsubscribe. I believe I showed that. Yes, I did. Let's double check. Yes, I did. Okay. And then showed subscribe, retrieve. I need to show reset, and forward was part of retrieve, so that should be good. So now if I do reset, I will do it on here. So it says logout successful only on this screen, none of the others. But if I go and try to log into this again, I'll try to log into username 2. Now username 2 is the only one that's logged in right now. And if I do post, you can see that's the only message that's on there from username 2. None of these other ones are on here. So if I do another reset, and log into username 1. Username 1's the only one there. Now, inside of Wireshark, I'm just going to stop this. We have all these packets and some that don't belong there. So the reason for these zeros is because my Python code has it where it gets rid of nones because I filled it with 200 bytes of none. So those have to be zeros for me. So you can see the opcode, sorry, the secret thing, initials, opcode, length of the message, and then a few spaces here because there's nothing used there. And then the message itself. These 8 bytes are for the token and for the message ID. So then if we go to here, this is the server sending it back saying, okay, this is the acknowledgement bit. And this is me logging in again. And then this one is trying to log into something that doesn't exist. And it kicks me out. Then we have another login. Then we have that. And let's see. This one is 10. 10's opcode is in the server. Okay. Oh, wrong slash. All right, 10 is a login. Okay, so those are still logins. Okay. Let's go down here. We have 80, which is the acknowledgement for the login, and we have another login. So many logins here. Okay, then it starts to change. This is not related to that assignment. We have a post for hello, post acknowledgement, post for test, post acknowledgement, all the way down 20 different times. Oh, actually, speaking of 20, right here, this was, let's see, I have message IDs on here. All right, let's see, this is message number not shown for some reason. Oh, here it is. Okay. This is message numbers. Let's see. All right, that's message number 20, I think. And then we have all these other messages. Okay. Oh, message number 7. Message number 3. These are going in weird orders, actually. Oh, no, this is the payload length of the message. Okay. The message IDs were the ones that were shown here. This 12, 13, which don't happen to be showing right here. I don't know why. We go past all these. Then we get this, which is the retrieve. Here's the format of the retrieve. It shows the username it was pulled from, that the subscription is for, and then what was said after. And we have a few of those. And then here's the reset down here. Let's see. We have a reset around here. Right there? Nope. Here's a reset. Okay, so we send this reset. And then this is for the retrieve that was there earlier. Then we log in again with this 10, retrieve again. Then we posted test, and all these other opcodes, which I'm not going to go through the documentation again. Yeah, the only problem I'm actually having is with the message IDs not showing up where they should be, right here. Because if I go to my handle message, the message index should be in location 7. And on here, in Wireshark, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's not there. So I don't know what's actually going on with that. hopefully I can get that fixed. And yeah, that's that.